Welcome to Reid State Community College. I'm Coretta Boykin, and I'm so proud to lead this great institution that's woven into the fabrics of our region. At Reid State, our mission is defined by a singular promise: transforming lives, changing generations. That transformation begins right here at Reid State Community College, our home and our heart. We are more than just a college. We are a dedicated partner to the families and industries of the 5 counties we serve: Butler, Conecuh, Escambia, Wilcox, and Monroe. Because your success is our community success.
For over 6 decades, Reid State has been the educational anchor for South Alabama. While our main campus thrives here in Evergreen, our reach extends deeply into our neighboring communities. Our presence in Monroeville and Georgiana ensures that quality technical and academic training is never out of reach. We serve a diverse 5-county area, providing a bridge between local talent and the global economy. By investing in the people of our region, we aren't just filling classrooms, we are fueling the heartbeat of the communities we call home. Transformation starts with a clear path. For many students, Reid State is the first step toward a 4-year degree. Our Associate in Arts and Liberal Arts and Associate in Science and General Studies programs are designed for seamless transfer to Alabama's senior institutions through the Alabama Transfers Program. From computer information science and business administration technology to child care education and development, we provide the academic rigor that prepares our region for the challenges of tomorrow. With small class sizes, our instructors know your name and your goals. Reid State is the workforce engine of South Alabama. We offer comprehensive degrees and certificates in welding technology, industrial electricity and electronics, industrial maintenance, and diesel technology, diesel engine specialist. In our Health Sciences division, we are training the healthcare heroes of tomorrow through practical nursing and health science programs. We also offer specialized training in cosmetology and cosmetology instructor training, as well as degrees in business administration technology and child care education and development. Beyond our traditional degrees, we provide rapid pathways to employment through workforce development and non-credit programs, including commercial truck driving, pharmacy technology, and our adult education and dual enrollment initiatives. Through programs like ACE, WIOA, and the WORC initiative, we ensure that every resident has a path to success. But the Reid State experience is about more than just the classroom. It's about the pride. Our athletic programs, from the baseball diamond to the basketball court, teach the leadership and teamwork necessary for life. Whether you're competing as a Lady Lion or representing us in our esports arena, you are carrying a legacy of excellence. Campus life here is about building bonds that last. When we come together for events like the Color Run, we aren't just students and staff. We are a family. This sense of belonging is a vital part of changing generations.
Your future is our mission. From liberal arts and general studies to computer information science and our many technical trades, we are here to support you every step of the way. At Reid State, we remain dedicated to transforming lives and changing generations. We invite you to join our pride. Visit us at reidstate.edu or visit any of our locations to see the difference for yourself.